Got Sean here from AV King to show the small, medium and large solutions here with these conference cameras. So we've got here the small system, which is a portable speaker mic unit that interfaces with this camera. So this one here runs off batteries, this is plugged into your computer, and this can all be hidden under the table with an extension USB-C to one of your laptops, connecting your HDMI, etc. to your conferencing equipment. So that's a small system. Sean will just go around the back of our touchscreen here to show you the medium, which is this MaxHub or Jabra face tracking camera. It's actually got 3 cameras in there, so it can do ultra wide angles. That can be wall mounted as well, so you can have that permanently set up in your room, either with your laptop or with your NUC PC, which is the little PC next to Sean there. So that's the NUC PC, which can be wall mounted or mounted under your table. And then the large solution is this Logitech PTZ, which is on this tripod there and also connected to our display system here. So I'll just hit on the remote preset number 2. And that'll zoom out to show you what this would look like with maximum zoom, which is roughly what you get as standard with that entry-level solution there. And then obviously if we put preset 3 on there, that'll zoom all the way into the maximum zoom in angle. And as you can see there, that's actually taking you all the way down onto the picture on that banner. So it can go very, very tightly zoomed in or very, very wide angle, depending on your room and your use case. And it is quite fast with that remote control to go to those different angles for the different meetings you've set up. Those presets are easily changed on this little remote control as required. AV King, if you'd like a demonstration in our showroom in the city, 900 Ann Street, or we can bring a lot of this gear to your office as well. Thank you.